Race number 2. Gates open, that up and racing. Banknet draws for your lead. Summer Rain bombs, moving up party outside. Celestial racing in fourth, moving up the up Jade. Then comes Ever Charming. Chuchinelli and Lifeline is the early trailer as they round towards the last 450. We have two runners fighting it out for the lead. Banknet this time by 3/4 of a length lead over Bombs. Summer Rain getting closer in third, moving up Ever Charming. The up J Chuchinelli by the rail. Celestial and Lifeline is still in behind them. With the last 200 meters more to run, Banknet, Summer Rain moving a party outside. Ever Charming for a sorry outside. But we have Summer Rain running at the center, grabbing the lead over Banknet, Ever Charming, and finally Summer Rain. Banknet, Ever Charming, the of Jade, Celestial, Chuchinelli, Lifeline, and Bombs.